Sekwetje Mahlamba kanye noSekola Matlaletsa bebesolwa ngokubulala uBrendin Horner. Lesigameko sasusa umbango wezobuhlanga kule ndawo esempumalanga yeFree State njengoba iqulu labalimi langena ngendluzula enkantolo lifuna ukunikezwa abasolwa. Lethula isinqumo salo ijaji uKegnimusi lithe umbuso awuzange wethule ubufakazi obenele kuleli cala.
I therefore make the following order. Both accused are found not guilty and discharged on all counts.
Ngasekuqaleni kwaleli sonto ufakazi wombuso waphika imininingwane ekhombisa ukubandakanyeka kwabasolwa waphinde wathi ayifani naleyo ayifaka encwadini yakhe efungelwe. NgoNhlangulana ulibofuzo lwenziwa ezimpahleni ezayinegazi imiphumela yakhombisa ukuthi abasolwa babengekho endaweni yesigameko. Manje abameli babasolwa bahlela ukumangalela umbuso.
We have received instructions from accused number 1 to sue the state for unlawful arrest and detention on the one hand, and on the other we're going to sue for malicious prosecution, and that's where we are as the defense. We welcome the judgment. We are of the view that it was long coming.
I've received instructions on behalf of accused number 2, Mr. Mahlamba, to sue the state for unlawful arrest and detention, and secondly the National Director of Public Prosecution for malicious prosecution, because we believe that from the word go there was nothing, there was no prima facie case that they should have proceeded against Mr. Mahlamba.
Umbuso uvumile ukuthi awuzange wethule ubufakazi obenele.
We are aware that, and we also considered yesterday before court, that unfortunately the quality of evidence that we presented to court, based on the fact that some of the state witnesses distanced themselves from the statements, was not convincing for any conviction.